Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. If we are talking about Turkey, how can we forget about the Turkish cuisine? It is a vibrant and diverse culinary tradition that reflects the rich history and cultural mosaic of Turkey. It has been shaped by centuries of interaction with various civilizations, including the Greeks, Persian, Arabs, and Ottomans, resulting in a unique blend of flavors and ingredients. Central to Turkish cuisine is the use of fresh seasonal ingredients, vegetables, herbs, and spices play a prominent role, alongside a variety of meats, seafood, and legumes. Olive oil is a staple in many dishes, especially in the Asian and Mediterranean regions. Meals are often social occasions with an emphasis on sharing and hospitality. Traditionally, Turkish breakfasts known as kahvaltı are elaborate spread featuring cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggs, honey, and a variety of bread. Lunch and dinner often begins with meals, small appetizer plate, followed by main courses such as kebab, stews, and seafood dishes. Bread holds a special place in Turkish cuisine with numerous varieties like pide and simit. Yogurt is another essential component, often used in soups, salads, and sauces, or enjoyed as a drink called ayran. Turkish desserts are renowned for their sweetness and variety, with baklava being the most famous. Other popular sweet includes lokum, Turkish delight, and kunefe, sweet cheese pastry, and asor. Tea and coffee are integral to Turkish culture. Turkish tea is strong and usually served in small tulip-shaped glasses, while Turkish coffee is known for its rich flavors and unique preparation methods. Overall, Turkish cuisine is a delightful journey through a rich tapestry of flavors, traditions, and regional specialities, offering something for every plate. Turkish cuisine can be quite engaging. Here are some intriguing points to explore. Diverse regional cuisines. Turkish cuisine is not monolithic, it varies significantly by region. For example, the cuisine of the Asian region is rich in olive oil and vegetables, while the southeastern regions features spicier dishes and more meat-based dishes. Maize culture. Maize, a selection of small dishes served as appetizers, is a fundamental part of Turkish dining. Its social experience often enjoyed with raki and anise flavor spirit. Ancient roots. Many Turkish dishes have ancient origins, some dating back to the Ottoman Empire and even earlier. For example, baklava and dolma have been enjoyed for centuries. Influence of the Silk Road. The Silk Road significantly influenced Turkish cuisine. Spices, fruits, and cooking techniques from Asia and the Middle East were integrated into Turkish dishes. Special breakfast culture. Turkish breakfast is a lavish spread and a social event. It typically includes fresh bread, cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggs, honey, jams, and various spreads. Ottoman palace cuisine. The cuisine of the Ottoman palaces was incredibly elaborate and diverse, often featuring dishes with unique combinations of fruit, nuts, and meats. Some of these recipes have been preserved and are still enjoyed today. Lahmacun versus pide. Often confused, lahmacun, Turkish pizza, is a thin, crispy flatbread topped with minced meat and vegetables, while pide is thicker and board-shaped, often filled with various toppings like cheese, eggs, and meats. Ayran, the popular yogurt drink. Ayran, a refreshing yogurt-based drink, is immensely popular in Turkey. It's made by mixing yogurt with water and a pinch of salt and is often enjoyed with kebabs and other grilled dishes. Seasonal eating. Turkish cuisine places a strong emphasis on seasonal ingredients. Many traditional recipes change with seasons, ensuring the freshest and most flavorful produce is used. Unique desserts. Beyond baklava, Turkish cuisine boasts a variety of unique desserts. Examples include kunefe, a sweet cheese pastry, asur, nuaz pudding made with grains, nuts, and dried fruits, Kazandibi, a caramelized milk pudding. Pomegranate molasses. Pomegranate molasses is a common ingredient in Turkish cooking, used to add a tangy sweetness to salads, stews, and marinades. Traditional fermented food. Fermentation plays a significant role in Turkish cuisine. Examples include tarhana, a dried fermented mixture of yogurt, vegetables, and grains, used to make soup and pickled vegetables. These are some of the dishes with deeper appreciation of richness and diversity of Turkish cuisine beyond the well-known dishes. I hope you have liked my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.